Kani gadega Pati CTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadian bau menteri rang ba barim ke jela, ubamenta udai unong aiboy barang ba do jong sarkar jela. U Dr. Didi Lapang ula syaweng no na kasuki kumu presiden jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Bat latong bujli hak jaka jong u Dr. Celestine Lingdo kumu presiden bat yu ba Vincent H. Pala kumu working president. Henne kasngi ka artering ukala lengkon. U Dr. Didi Lapang ulai kendo kerpang ru ikinong patai kubor haki yang sa jong u. Habakaran hakinong patai kubor uniu rusan partai balayau tam karta na pedang kiwi pat kinong mikmat hakani kejela balalong MLA hadu South Post Nam Kanti na nongpo constituency ubalai kon yak election hadu Prasian Kanti ulai to yak ke ba ulai kren bat ke president jong All India Congress Committee ka Sonia Gandhi hakaba ulalit Pynshai halor karai bola shem ban omikon Shuh yak election bat penparu yak kerteng jong ukortong uban simti hakajaka jong u kata u political secretary jong u ba Merrill Bonds im kadau ka ba u Dr. Didi Lapang ula penpau haki he jong ka AICC ban omikon Shuh yak election kolong ba ulakwa ban iPhone no syakalong yeng long sam jong u handai ula penpau pan Haka Sonia Gandhi ba omdai ba un no ya kaseng Congress handai unyai peteng kajing syakri yaki ba tang hakikam jong kaseng.
Then what I have told, number one, because I want to project someone and to have some time when I can relax. I also can attend to family and all to the works and at this age I want little time of easy work and all. I have also told her, even though I have back out from the contest, I still have it doesn't mean that I completely walk out from the arena of the politics, and I will still have to be with the party, but you understand everything that I've told, the physical strength and the occupation and all. Then Madam Sonia says, Lapang, I understand the 85 is a long age and all, and you have worked. We appreciate your sincerity and so the contribution you have made to the party, and the EIC will always recognize the work. Then, Madam, thank you very much for that. And what I feel is I want a little work of type of, but I want to involve with the party as long as I feel I can work something. Then they said, but I just pass on this to Rahul Gandhi, who will take in charge about 3-4 days to come. Okay. After he took charge, of course he went to all this election and then after he took charge, he sent information to me that he would like to meet me on 23rd of December. And I say, no, it's not convenient because Christmas is coming. 23rd is too close from the 25th. So, okay, then can give me a letter date. Then at that time, his secretary told me he has got a program to Punjab and he'll be coming. Then they informed me he can meet me on 29. So I went on 29. And then we met that. I told what I have told to Madam Sonia Gandhi, why I did not contest. And then what I want is to be, if the party feels my services are still needed, I'm willing to work with the party in a very lighter way of work, so that it will not that. Because, understand, as a president, we work around the clock during elections, sometimes 3, 4, 5, even 10 meetings a day. And the amount of traveling from here to Garhill to West East Castle and all, I should take that. Then he also said the same thing as Madam said, okay, we understand it. We have done a lot of new faces changing, but we call you because we want to meet you also. So after that, he told his secretary, we have had as discussed, please prepare a note on the line we discussed. So I said, before I leave, I would leave to you your wisdom, how we utilize my service. I'm the discipline soldier of the party all through. And then he have said yes, because always informing ministry and changing ministry, I'm always there with full cooperation and a way of submission also to the decision in the High Command. So And then they have decided, he called in his meeting, Joshi and CP Joshi and others, and other secretaries he had. And then they made a notification, I did not bother to know very much because I thought they will do in a way. And with the word is said, bring in new faces in all over the thing. Not just for the election or not for the, but mainly for the 2019 thing. Lok Sabha election, they want to match with that. So when I come here, then that notification came out like that.